The city's been actively working on this issue for the last year. After receiving concerns from residents, we initiated a process of collecting decibel readings across multiple locations throughout the city. While none of those readings exceeded the limits set by statute or local ordinance, they do indicate the presence of a low-frequency tone. We have been working to identify and confirm the source of that tone. In addition to conducting decibel readings, we have consulted with DEEP and the EPA, neither of which enforce or investigate these types of situations any longer. And we also coordinated with the Connecticut Department of Public Health. Finally, we sought legal interpretation of the applicable statutes to better understand the city's authority and our options. We have completed all testing possible within the capabilities of our equipment. To confirm the source of the noise and its compliance with the applicable statutes, at the end of the presentation, I will be recommending that the city engage a third-party acoustic firm, an expert in this area. Independent, certified testing will provide objective, verifiable data, which will guide the city's next step based on confirmed facts while protecting the city at the same time.
I have been experiencing this for approximately about the last 3 years. It is a sound that is very constant, and it has been affecting my mental health as well as my sleep. It's something that has definitely affected my whole household, my pets, and many people in the neighbors as well.
I've been hearing this noise for over 4 years or whatever, and I just thought it was me going a little cuckoo. But it's gotten to the point where it just gets in your chest, and my husband and my daughter didn't hear it for a while. The last, maybe summertime a year ago or whatever, my daughter's bedroom is on like Morgan Lane side, and she's, "Mom, what's that noise?" What's my husband? Now he's hearing it. He's retired. He's hearing it. And it really is awful, and I was so happy to hear that somebody was finally addressing it.